Hello and welcome to the world of PixLUM. This tutorial was created to show you how to connect your PixLUM project properly. Before you get started, make sure you have all the products you need to power your panels. In order to do that, start by adding the power consumption of all your lights and multiply that power by 2 in order to give you the freedom to change or modify your decoration in the future. For instance, if you're using 1000 0.2 watts Pix LEDs, while your actual consumption will be 200 watts, you should provide for a 400 watts consumption in your installation. You'll therefore need either 3 150 watts or 6 70 watts PixLUM transformers. Place the transformers and all your connectors on your slab layout. Remember that 150 watts transformers have 3 outputs if needed. Take care to always ensure the shortest electrical distance between the transformer and each of the panels, within the limit of 2.8 meters of cable length total. The electrical connection of a transformer to the main power source should always be carried out by an electrician. Insert the cords of your PIX cable power connector into the output of your transformer and fasten the screws. Insert the clips of your connectors astride each of your panel's metallic foils. Insert the clips of your connectors astride each of your panel's metallic foils. Fasten them so there can be no traction on the cables. Insert PIX cable bridge connectors the same way to connect several panels to one another. Make sure you never cross the cables. Power up your installation and insert an LED in each panel to make sure it functions properly. Everything works? Time to decorate! Thank you for listening. For more tutorials, visit the videos section of our website. See you soon!